In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a super admin user in Google Workspace. This process is essential for those looking to designate someone with full administrative access within their organization. While it might sound a bit technical, I'll guide you through it step by step and it will only take about 5 minutes. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Workspace. If you're unsure what that is, it's simply a suite of cloud computing, productivity and collaboration tools, software and products developed and marketed by Google. It's where you can manage and organize various aspects of your business online. Once you're on the Google Workspace page, you'll want to look for the Admin Console. The Admin Console is your command center from where you can manage your organization's settings. Click on that to proceed. Now it's time to log in. Make sure you use your business email associated with your Google Workspace account. This is important because you'll need administrative privileges to make changes. If you encounter any issues logging in, double check your credentials or consult your organization's IT support. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Google Apps menu. This handy menu gives you access to all the apps and services available in Google Workspace. Click on it, which will reveal various Google service icons. Among those icons, find and click on the admin icon. This will take you into the administration area where you can adjust various settings and manage users. Next, let's navigate to the directory section. You should see an option for directory, usually marked clearly, in the admin console. This is where you can find the comprehensive list of users associated with your organization. Once in the directory, head over to the users section. Through this option, you can view all the user accounts under your organization's domain. Locate the user profile for whom you want to assign super admin privileges. When you have found the account profile, click on it to access more detailed settings for that particular user. Now you should see an option that says Assign Roles. Select this to proceed with assigning new roles to the user. In the Roles Management section, look for the option to turn on Super Admin Privileges. This action will give the designated user full administrative control over your Google Workspace account. Keep in mind that super admin permissions allow the user to manage all settings across the workspace, so choose this role carefully. Finally, after you've enabled super admin, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the save button and click on it to finalize the process. Remember, it's essential to ensure that only trusted individuals are given super admin access, as they will have significant control over your workspace environment. And there you have it, a new super admin user added to your Google Workspace.